Hello, my dear students. We are resuming working on the utility of the consumer's utility. And if we have now to get the balance, when will the consumer maximize his utility? A consumer will maximize his utility if the marginal utility divided by the price for product A will equals the marginal utility divided by the price for product B. So let's say as example that the product A is apple and the product B is orange, like what you see in front of you here. A product A is apple and the product B is orange. And the product A, the price of it is $1 of the apple. The price 1 kilo for the apple is $1. And the 1 kilo of orange is $2. We have already given, it will be given to us the marginal utility for both of them. So we'll have the marginal utility for the apple, and we also have this column, the marginal utility for the orange. Okay. We know now that the price of the apple is $1. So what we will do here in this column B, we will divide the marginal utility, the column A, divided by the prices. For example, 10 divided by 1 will give me 10. 8, we said the marginal utility divided by the price. What we will do here, I will just draw it for you guys. I will say here, what I will do, I will get marginal utility divided by the price for each unit. Marginal utility divided by the price. Okay. That means what? Like you see here in front of you now. On the marginal utility here, 10, and the price is 1. 10 divided by 1, that will give me 10. 8 divided by 1, that will give me 8. 7 divided by 1, that will give, we create this column, we create it. 6 divided by 1, that will give me 6. 5 divided by 1, that will give me 5. 4 divided by 1, that will give me 4. 3, here 3 divided by 1, that will give me 3. Okay. Likewise, what we did with the apple, here with the apple, what we did with the apple, we divide the marginal utility by the price of the apple. We'll do the same thing for the orange. So in the orange, he gave me also in the question the marginal utilities for the orange, 24, 20, 18, 16, 12, 6, 4. And what I will do also, I will divide the marginal utility by the price, like exactly what I did here with the apple. So 24 divided by 2, look at this 2, 24 divided by 2, that will give me 12. 20 divided by 2, that will give me 10. 18 divided by 2, that will give me 9. 16 divided by 2, that will give me 8. 12 divided by 2, that will give me 6, like here. 6 divided by 2 will give me 3. 4 divided by 2 will give me 4. So what I did for the apple, exactly, I divided the marginal utility divided by the prices, and same what I did for the apple, I'm doing now for the orange. Okay. Till the moment everything is fine. When will happen the maximum utility for a consumer? A consumer maximum utility, it occur for the marginal utility on the price for the first product, will equal the same thing for the second product. Control and C will equal the same thing for the second product. Okay, for the second product, for the third, and for the fourth. So this equilibrium is like it's approved for all the levels. So marginal utility for the apple, let's say this is the apple, will equals the marginal utility for the orange. So apple is A and orange is B. Perfect. So this is what I'm just getting now. That's what I'm doing just now. So when I find a number similar in both the groups, here is the maximizing utility for the consumer. We'll look for the numbers now, but we also have condition because we have some other similar numbers. But I will tell you as example that the consumer will consume 6 units from both of them. Because simply we have also some numbers are similar. If you look here as example, you might find 6 here, and you will find 6 here. And you will find 3 here, and you will find 3 here. So which one I will choose? I have to choose one number. Yes, similars. Yes, similars. But there are 3 or 4 similar numbers between the marginal utility of the product B, of the product A, and the marginal utility of the product B. So what we will do now is see the condition in the example. So knowing that, if I tell you from the following, also for an individual consumer, so this is knowing that the consumer will buy 6 units from both the products. So my condition here that I will look for things which make it 6, like 6 products only, no more, no less. So here from the following table, we did already our calculations, we did all this, but he will buy 6 units. Look at this, he will buy 6 units from both the products. Cool, that's fine. So here 2, second means 2 is 8, and here is 4 in the other unit is 8. So I have 2 similar 8s, 8 for 2 and 8 for 4. Okay, that achieved the condition of 6. 2 plus 4, because I have 2 from A, 2 products from A, 2 apples, and 4 orange. Why did I select this number? 2 apples and 4 orange. Why did I select these numbers? 2 apples because the first 8 is here in front of 2 apples, and it's regarding the apple. Here, 8 in front of 2 apples. And the other 8 is in front of 4, but oranges. Look at this, the 8 of the oranges. So he will use the consumer to get the meaning of this, that the consumer to have the maximum utility, he will consume the consumer to have maximum utility, he will buy 2 oranges or 2 apples and 4 oranges, whatever the unit was a kilo or whatever. So let us say here, let's enlarge it like that way for you guys to understand it. Here we say, so the first 8 here for 2, that is for the apple, and the 8 here is in front of 4 for the orange. So he will buy 2 apples and 4 orange. Why? To maximize his utility. To maximize his utility. Again, we say quickly, we will be given in the assignment the marginal utility for 2 products. And what we will do, we'll see the condition. And here in the question, he's saying buy 6 units. So he must buy 6 units from both of them, not from one and the other neglect. No. To maximize his utility, he must buy both of the products. So he will buy the apple and he will buy the orange. Okay. The marginal utility here is given for the apple, and this is the marginal utility for the orange. And also the price of the apple is $1 and the price of the orange is $2. So what we will do, the marginal utility divided by the price. So 10 divided by 1 will give me 10, 8 divided by 1 will give me 8, 7 divided by 1 will give me 7, and so on till the rest of the column. Same thing likewise what we did here for the orange. So the orange is $2. So 24 times divided by 2, that will give me 12. 20 divided by 2 will give me 10. 18 divided by 2 will give me 9. 16 divided by 2 will give me 8. 12 divided by 2 will give me 6. 6 divided by 2 will give me 3. And 4 divided by 2 will give me 2. What we will do now, because we are looking for maximizing the utility, so we'll look for the similar numbers in the outcomes. The similar numbers, the same numbers in the outcome. So I will check out for the numbers which is similar. I have 8 here and I have 8 here. And I have here 6 and I have here 6. And I have here 3 and I have here 3. But which numbers I will choose? I will choose the numbers that satisfy this condition by 6 units. Let us see. Here, 2 units from the apple plus 4 units, because this is 4 units from the orange. 2 and 4 will do for me what I want. 2 plus 4 will give me 6. But other numbers will not achieve this. As example, if we say take here as example the 6 and the 6. 6 here in front of 4, this 6 in front of 4, and this 6 in front of 5. So 4 and 5 will be 10, but we need to consume 6 units, not 10. So here we have to go based on the condition. Thank you so much. Shall see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.